Hi everyone, this is Chief Meteorologist Justin Kiefer from the 13 First Alert Storm Center here at WMBB and at News 13. We've been watching Gordon all day long, and as it made its approach toward North Florida, it dumped a lot of rain in some spots, some gusty winds along our coastline. Beach erosion was an issue. Now this evening, Gordon crossed the coastline from Dauphin Island to the Alabama-Mississippi line. As we look at the Viper sweep out of the Mobile location of our Viper radar, you can see the center of Gordon crossing the coast, and it's actually right there to the north and east of Pascagoula. So there's still tremendous bands of rain that arc down through eastern Baldwin County of the southern section of Alabama, and then through Escambia County and Santa Rosa County in the western Florida Panhandle. These cells had tornadoes in them earlier near Milton. And that is kind of a threat tonight, as this landfalling tropical system has the potential still for the remainder of tonight to produce tornadoes. The latest advisory from Gordon, as of 10 o'clock Central, had winds at 70 miles per hour. The barometric pressure recorded by aircraft reconnaissance at 99.7, 997 millibars. So it's the lowest pressure we've seen with the storm for its entirety, right as it neared the coastline. And if you've been following our updates throughout the day and throughout the night last night, it was always expected when this storm got close to the coast, it was going to be in the most favorable environment for strengthening, and that is exactly what happened. Now there'll be rapid deceleration of wind speed as the storm gets weaker over land, but it's going to be a big rainmaker as this big swath of rain, tropical rain, heads inland. It will move up over Jackson, the remnant low pressure near Little Rock, then it's going to curve through the Mississippi River Valley and eventually head toward the western Great Lakes as this sort of remnant low, big rainmaker for the middle of the country. So we still have hurricane warnings in effect, but it's for coastal waters south of Mobile. There still might be some hurricane gusts out over the water and some of the islands along coastal Mississippi and Alabama. The tropical storm warnings, now this is new at this hour and new for the rest of the night. We had tropical storm warnings south of the Panhandle coastline east of Okaloosa County. They've been dropped. The only tropical storm warnings now in effect are from Destin westward and then the inland areas of South Alabama and southern Mississippi. So what has replaced this tropical storm warning now is a small craft advisory for the Gulf waters south of Walton Bay, Gulf, and Franklin County. Now, the high surf advisory remains in effect through tomorrow morning. There's still a lot of surf, and the beach erosion and coastal overwash is still an issue. But the tropical storm warnings have been dropped. Now, the tornado watch, which was a very effective watch because we had active tornadoes in Santa Rosa County this evening, that watch goes through early tomorrow morning, but I don't see the threat outside of the watch box. So that's kind of the watches and warnings, and the effect of Gordon for the rest of the night is those the potential for those swirling storms to come on through. You'll watch in our futurecast. We'll see one or two of these through the night and through the morning tomorrow, but the drying trend comes in Wednesday night, and it looks like Thursday should be close to being rain-free as a batch of dry air moves on through. So hopefully that's what we have to look forward to after Gordon gets out of the picture. So once again, Gordon has made landfall. It's on the Alabama-Mississippi line west of Mobile. The tropical storm warnings have dropped for the eastern section of the Panhandle waters, as well as the hurricane warnings that were up for earlier this evening. So things are improving along the Gulf Coast as Gordon makes its way inland now and continues to lose its strength over the inland sections of the Gulf South. We certainly appreciate you keeping up with us throughout the day as we brought you updates here. And you can always go to our website, mypanhandle.com. Check us out on Facebook or Twitter to get the latest weather information. For meteorologist Sam Lucy, for meteorologist Ross Whitley, and myself, Chief Meteorologist Justin Kiefer, thanks for checking us out during the day. Thanks for watching tonight. We'll see you later.